peacock is flying to me! Help! Do you want to make peacock with me? Then let's run for our lives and let's go to the safe room and do some peacock folding. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make these good paper peacocks. I'm gonna give you this idea, and if you want to make these, please watch my video. Welcome to Vicky's Craft Show. Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to make a peacock. Look, the peacock is much similar than the bird. I don't know if you watched that video. That video, I don't think that really come out yet, but I taught that on a camera. So today we're gonna make a peacock. The things that you are gonna need is two of the blank paper and some of the markers, or some crayons, pencil crayons, or crayons, something. So first we're gonna fold the peacock. We're gonna make a square, and then flip it out, and then we're gonna move the other side and fold a rectangle on the other side and open it. As you can see, there's 4 squares now. Then you have to squeeze it in until it's double-sided, like this. You see all these double-sided? Okay, so and then you're gonna fold one outside of the triangle and fold it like this. And then you're gonna open it. You have to make it bigger. And then you're gonna open it and then make like the size of a diamond. It's okay if you're on your first try and you don't make as good as me. And on my first try, it's the same as you maybe. And then after you're done one side of the shape, you're gonna fold it back like this. So you see this? And then you're gonna open it and do the same on the other side. And it should be just like this. If you want to make it like better, you have to fold it back like this. See? This is pretty good and well for me, but not for you maybe. And then we're gonna flip it over and make a triangle and do the same as before. You're gonna do like and then the first part is gonna fall down, and the second part we don't. And do the same thing. See, now if it's both sides, then you're good. Okay, then you're gonna make a side of it to the openings of the leg. And do the same thing too. and flip it over and do the same thing as the other side. We're gonna do the same thing. See? Now you see this opening here? We're gonna flip two of these openings together and do the same the other, like this. See? Now it's the shape like this. And you're gonna flip these openings until it's really close. See? And do the same on the other side. And you see these openings? Open the openings again. And you see these openings and do the same thing. And these are the wings of the openings. Now pick one side to be your head. You need tape. You need tape, but first you need to make your eyes. Your eyes need to be black if you want to. This crayon doesn't really work. See? And then you're gonna make your tail straight. And then you're gonna the big peacock tail. Then we're gonna need to draw the design. If you like my design, be sure to copy me. And you just need to cut these. There's gonna be lots purple. But it is gonna be difficult to color. But you know there's like a bump. After you see this bump, it is pretty difficult. But after you're over that bump, it is easy. I just put all the bumps. Going to do this. And then the girl gonna color inside like green. And we're gonna do the same thing in the other wing if you want. And I'm gonna color green. And then yellowish green or something. So you're gonna color the inside. You're going to color the outside purple. Going to color the outside purple. See? Make sure it doesn't go into your other-ish colors. And then we're going to cut these out, but make sure, remember, you have to color the wing. But I wouldn't like butter out, not like me. And I'm gonna end this video, and if you like, be sure to smash on that bell and subscribe on my video, and give it a like if you want. Bye!